missing someone. Love is all you want.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do an aesthetic thumbnail for any of your videos on PicsArt and the apps I'm about to show you. So these thumbnails can be used for your YouTube videos or wherever you need thumbnails. I've done a thumbnail example before, but video, but it wasn't really good and it wasn't really aesthetic. But now I'm doing a 2020 updated one. So yeah, before I start the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. So let's get right into it. So for this you will need the 3 apps, but 2 of them will not be necessary. They will be pretty much optional, mostly because if you like the fonts on PicsArt and don't want the fonts from like Phonto and you're okay with the fonts from PicsArt, then go ahead and use those. But yeah, just use PicsArt. But if you do want the fonts, you're going to go ahead and open Phonto, and you're going to go ahead and also press make a project and then press plain image. You can press any of the ones except the other ones. Just press black or white. I chose black, it doesn't really matter. And then you can change the color of the background, something you would be able to erase later easily, so it'll be transparent in order to put it into PicsArt. I'm just gonna pick this color because why not? And yeah, once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and add text and use the fonts in the app. If you already have them downloaded, great. If you haven't, then you can get them at thefont.com. That's what I use to download them into Phonto. And a lot of my videos I've done examples on how to get them, so yeah, go check those out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the font Keep On Trucking. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing and I like it a lot. It's featured in a lot of my videos, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that and type in whatever I want on my thumbnail. I'm actually gonna do the thumbnail I'm actually gonna use for this video. So here's me just thinking about what to type. So here we go. Here we are. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover, but you're gonna I normally like using different fonts at once, so I'm gonna use the Keep On Trucking for the first part of the sentence for the thumbnail, and color it something that won't be the color of your background for your thumbnail. So if you're like wanting it to be like blue, don't do the font blue, because then it won't be able to be seen and the font is going to blend in too much and very hard to watch. So, and here's me choosing another font to do the rest of it. I like doing the Keep On Trucking thing, add in this script font. I like it a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up. I like sometimes putting it in bold because I feel like bold makes it look much better. And I'm also gonna fix up the text with the font because it kind of goes too much with the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it. Here's me actually struggling to find a good color. Black does not look good, mostly because it's the other font is outlined by it. So here's me just doing it in pink, watching it as it's kind of hard to see, which is not what you want for a thumbnail. And then here's me adding finally a border around it that makes it actually look pretty good. Once I have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and save it. You're gonna go ahead and press the export button at the bottom and save it to images. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead into the eraser app. Now, this is only if you use Phonto. This is in order to delete the background in order to put it into PicsArt, so it doesn't have a background and it's just like a transparent font. You'll see. Sorry, this was just me checking if it was recording. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and press it here. And I'm also going to go ahead and crop it. Wait, not crop it, sorry. I just started cropping it for no reason, and yeah, sorry about that. So here I just getting rid of the color background in order to put it into PicsArt, and you can use any of the tools you feel comfortable with. I recommend the target color because it takes out most of the background, and those little details you might see around the font won't be that visible, but I'm kind of a perfectionist, so yeah, this is just me struggling to get most of them off, but it's pretty hard and it's not visible. I'm just like really dumb and I'm a perfectionist. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead and save it. Sorry about the ad. It just pops up. You can use any eraser app, but this is just the one I have. It doesn't really matter. You're going to go ahead and save it. and then it's gonna be saved. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead into PicsArt. This is the main app. Now this is like the main app that you'll use for this, and probably could be the only app you want to use. If you are totally fine with that fonts they have, you did not have to do any of the other ones I put, but I normally use those because I feel like Phonto has more aesthetic fonts I could use, and I recommend them mostly. But if you do not want to and you like the fonts in PicsArt, go ahead and do that. So once you have choose the color background you want to use, you're gonna go ahead and type these exact numbers. You're gonna put 1280 for width and 720 for height. This is the perfect thumbnail measurement in order for it to work. Again, checking if I recorded, because my recorder has been really bad at that. So here's me choosing the image, the transparent image we got from the eraser app. This is why we need to use the eraser app, because if we did not, the background would still be there and it would look really bad. Here's me adding stickers. Now I use the stickers in this app. They are so aesthetic. You can search any. They have a huge variety you can use for totally free, and I love it so much. So here's just me customizing it, doing what I need, and yeah. So yeah, also you can use any effects in this app for your thumbnail, but I'm just gonna keep it simple for this because I feel the stickers do enough work sometimes. But sometimes I do like to use the other features, but I am totally recommending to use all the features and figure them all out so you can use them and know which ones you want to use, which ones are unnecessary. But yeah, you should go figure those out. But I normally just use the sticker images, sometimes filters and brushes, but that is very occasional. I just use stickers. So here's me decorating it very simply because I needed to do it quick for this video. So sorry I might be taking So here I just finished up. I'm gonna go ahead and save it, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn notifications to be notified each time I post a video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Missing someone.